Amla, or the Indian gooseberry, has a high concentration of vitamin C and helps our body to produce a neurotransmitter which is believed to improve brain function. It is beneficial to the kidneys' health as it is high in antioxidants. It helps to treat sleep disorders like insomnia. It reduces blood cholesterol level. It is effective against dandruff and skin problems. And it strengthens the hair follicles and boosts hair growth. So why not have amla in a regular diet? What I am going to do today is use this very amla. I have taken this size amla, not the very big ones, the medium size ones, and made amla rice. So let's begin. All the ingredients, exact amount for everything is given at the end of the video. You need not worry about it. I've grated amla and then I've ground coriander and sesame seeds. It need not be a fine powder. Once this is done, I'm going to keep this separately. The seeds have been lightly roasted first and then cooled and then ground. Now I'm going to heat some oil in a karai. I've used the regular refined oil. Once the oil starts to get heated, I'm going to temper it with some red chilies. You can even add peanuts, the groundnuts, into this dish. I did not add in this particular recipe. You can add it. It adds a different flavor to this. So after the red chilies, I've added the mustard seeds. When the fragrance comes out, that is the time you add the peanuts also and fry it well. And then you add the grated amla into the oil. When you're adding this amla into the oil, please lower the flame. Once you have finished adding the entire thing into the karai, then you may increase the flame to a medium high and then start frying this amla. Stir it for some time and then you add the spices, that is the turmeric powder, salt. Salt you will add according to your taste, and then the curry powder or the kitchen king masala. If you don't have this, you can add a little bit of garam masala, but then decrease the quantity of the garam masala in that case. Now lower the flame and then start frying it, or else the spices will burn. On a low flame, you will fry this. After the spices have been fried for some time, you add in the cooked rice. You can use leftover rice in this case, but here I have used the freshly cooked rice. Stir the rice well so that it is coated well with the amla and the spices. When this is done, you need to add sugar into it just to cut the tanginess of this amla. Stir it again. And now is the time to add the ground spices, which is made of coriander and sesame. Give it a thorough mix so that it gets coated well. It is done, and now you can garnish it with the coriander leaves. Amla can be seen in the market right after Deepavali. So during the winters, do get amla and make this amla rice. It has so many health benefits, as I mentioned earlier in the video. This is a wonderful morning meal which can be tried with any kind of fries or salad. I make this quite often during the winter months. Do give it a try. I'm sure y'all are going to love this taste, a different kind of taste, wherein you get the flavors of the coriander as well as the sesame and then the freshly cut coriander leaves. So do give this recipe a try. I am including the ingredients list here. You can see this and then make it on your own at home. Thank you for watching till the end. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Till we meet again in the next video, it is bye-bye from all of us.